Monsieur Ismail, bonsoir. But I'm going to speak English, of course. The presence, Italian presence at Singularity University. It's very strange that the 10% about is coming from my country. Can you tell us the reason why, please?
I'm not exactly sure, but I do. We do have a lot of Italians, and they've been fabulous participants and students for us. Very energized, very vocal, fabulous thinkers. I think part of it is, Italy was the birthplace of the Renaissance. We're entering, luckily, a second Renaissance, and I think that may be part of it. But it's very exciting to see so many Italians there.
Okay. Just another question, please. Is innovation for you?
What is innovation?
Yeah.
Innovation for me is when you can. It's hard to script innovation. You can't kind of say, I'm going to go innovate and go do it. You have to create conditions within which it can flourish. So what we do is we try and bring together the top thinkers in the fastest moving fields and point people at the biggest problems. And when you can do that with the top students in the world, something exciting comes out of it. So for us, innovation is thinking about how could you leverage the fastest moving technologies and combine them in different ways, and combine them in different ways to create a solution that would actually scale globally to impact clean water or public health or home energy, one of those global solutions.
Okay, last question.
Sure.
For you, which is the main difference between Europe and rest of the world in innovation, of course?
Sure. In innovation, okay. I think the main difference between Europe and the rest of the world right now is Europe needs to take more risks. The environment is not set up for people to try hard and aim at something very big and fail. If in Europe, if I build a company and I fail, I'm a failure. In Silicon Valley, if I build a company and I fail, I'm celebrated as somebody who really tried something. And that's the difference. And I've advised several governments in Europe to change the culture around entrepreneurship and innovation to really celebrate failure.
The very last question.
Sure.
When are you opening Singularity University in Europe? What kind of course?
We don't know. We are talking.
But are you scheduling for the future, but without knowing when? But
I think at some point we will have to do something like that. We just don't know what it looks like right now. We've just finished figuring out how our model works, and we need to embed it before we scale it and take it elsewhere. But I think what will happen is it's clear that there's a global demand for this type of education, and we will have to meet that demand one way or the other. And so that's very important. And something about Europe is it's also in Italy, one of the reasons it's interesting is Italy is the heart of design thinking. And we are entering a world in which design disciplines are increasingly important in how you think about solutions. I think that's why we're also excited about Italy.
okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ciao.
Okay, ciao.